So how do we create a website in Canva? Not just any website, but a professional looking and a free website. So in this video, we are going to see these three things: how to create a free website in Canva, and how to publish that so that you can share your free website with anybody in the world. And lastly, we will also see what we cannot do with these free websites in Canva. Doesn't matter if you created that with your Canva free version or the Canva Pro version. We will see what we cannot do.
Now I'm using the Canva free version for this demo. Canva free users can create up to 5 live websites using the free domain that Canva provides you. And the Canva Pro users can use their existing domains to link to Canva and can create up to 5 different websites. Now there are many ways to find website templates within Canva. You can use this search bar to type websites and then they will provide you some options. You can click on this create a design and search for website, and that also provides some pre-made templates. Or you can also browse this section here and pick anything that you like. I'm going to use this particular search icon and click on this generic website so we can see all the available templates that we can make use of. This page provides different varieties of themes. And don't settle for just the top templates that are available on the first few results. Scroll down to find different options and you can pick and choose whatever you like. There are also some filter options where you can click on these filters and choose the style that you want to have, or the theme and the features or subjects, topics, and finally the price option. If you are using the Canva free version, you can click on free to just show only the free options. And finally, you can also sort by colors here. So once you click on apply, you will see just the filtered ones, which is like the free templates that I have chosen. Let me pick something quickly here. Let's pick this one and then click on customize this template. Alright, so as soon as this opens up, you will see that there are multiple pages added. That's because we have got 7 pages that comes along with this template. And in this template, you can see different designs which you can customize. All you want to do is just double click and change the text however you want it. You can also delete this picture and then add whatever you want here from the elements section. And one key thing that you need to remember after you are done with completing the design for your website is to add the titles for the web page of each individual pages. You can do that by clicking on this notes, add notes section. And here you'll see that this is having a title already called as home. And the second page is called philosophy, then background. You can see that this page has got the name as gallery and this page has no title. So let me go ahead and add a title. I'm just giving a BG, a quick sample title. And for this page, RP, calling it as a recent project. Then finally contact. Contact is already named by the template. If you want to add and customize this template, you can also go ahead and do that by clicking on these tiles and seeing if you like any of these color palettes. So Canva provides a great way of different options within the color palette section. So you can choose if you have any specific color in mind. Let's say if you don't like this black and white color pattern, you can click on this one and Canva magically changes the colors for your pages, and you can also apply that to all the pages so that it matches throughout. Let me try this one. And one thing is you can keep clicking on this to shuffle all the different color combinations. Okay, this is good. Let's apply this to all pages. This is just a sample website, so I'm not going to spend too much time on this. Once this is done, you want to click on a preview if you want to see how this looks. Let's see a quick preview. So this is how the website would look. Pretty neat, like for a portfolio website, a quick portfolio of seeing what our work is about. And that's without navigation. If you want to see it with navigation, where the links could work with the page titles as the menu items at the top. So clicking on contact would take me to the contact information section of this page. Basically, this is a one-page template. And let's see how the mobile version looks. Yeah, good. Okay, now it's time to publish our website. And as I said before, with the Canva free version, if you want to publish this to a free domain, you can publish up to 5 different URLs. So you can have up to 5 live websites on your free domain, as you can see here. And if you have your own domain, you can click this option and add your domain here. But for this, I'm going to show you this option. Let's go ahead and continue. Before that, ensure that if you want to resize this on mobile to have a mobile responsive page, make sure this is checked. For me, this was checked by default. And then also make sure you have this with navigation uh, selected in this drop down. We have to keep this selected, and only then the menu items will work. Okay, click on the free domain. I'm going to click on continue. Now you're going to get this subdomain for free, which will have this whatever you give the name and then .my.canva.site. It's pretty long, I know, but then that's what we get with the free version. You can also edit your subdomain later in your domain settings, which is from the Canva homepage. And then if you go to the accounts settings section, there's an area within this homepage here, domains, where you can address that the domain settings, whatever names that you have given. So since we haven't added yet, there's nothing visible, but let's go ahead and add one quickly. So for this, I'm going to say Arun's portfolio. Let's call it 1, and then continue. And in this section, you can also see this browser tab preview, how the title shows up. So this definitely should not be the case. I want to edit this to Arun's portfolio, or you can call it whatever you want. And then here you can change the fav icon, the fav icon, however you want to call it. The default is the canvas logo, but you can add based on this recommended size. For now, I'm going to leave it at the default. You can add whatever you want based on this recommended size. And you can give a description for the website, a quick description over there. And finally, if you want to enable password protection, you can check this box, but I am not going to do that. And then if you don't want this to be shown on your search engine results, you can check this box. I am going to check this for now because this is a very sample website and I don't want anybody to find it. It's just for demo. So I'm going to check this, but for you, please make sure you don't check these options. Click on publish your website. Canva then does its magic thing, and then this website will be published in no time. That's it. So now this link is what you want to copy and then share it with your friends and family or your prospective customers to go through your portfolio whenever you want to share it. Let's now take a look at this website. Awesome. The URL is having an HTTPS with the padlock, with the secured symbol, arunsportfolio.1, and then my Canva site. Let's check these links. Let's try clicking philosophy, background, gallery, contact. Perfect. So you can also add links to these buttons within when you are designing it. And there is a design with Canva, the footer, and then the terms and support. I think these are all inevitable with these versions, but it looks good. It's pretty decent. Now, if you want to go back and then edit anything at all, then you want to click on this edit design and then change however you want it. But once you make any change, you'll have to make sure that you publish the website once again, because it's not going to have anything. Whatever changes you made to this design will need to be republished to replace your existing live website. So I'm going to click on continue and then publish one more time so that this change will be reflecting on the site. So this is the older one. I'm going to refresh the page and you will see that this changes to 2024. Now, what we cannot do with these Canva websites is that we cannot sell any products directly using these websites. And we also cannot publish any blog posts using the Canva websites, because this is not a content management system like how WordPress offers. So with this, we can just have maybe a single page portfolio websites. Maybe you can showcase your work for your prospective clients. You can provide your contact information. You can even embed your Google Maps to share your geolocations. So it seems to me that to show off products in different categories, one needs a multi-page website with photo and video gallery features. That is obviously not what Canva offers yet today. Now, having said that, there is one workaround to showing a photo carousel for a portfolio website created in Canva, and you can watch it here.